and we are learning that Shiv Sena UBT MP Sanjay Raut has now reacted, demanding a suspension of the Pune Police Commissioner Amitesh Kumar in this entire Porsche case. He's in fact gone on to raise some very valid questions. He's saying that in the video it can be seen that the minor was drunk, but his medical report was negative. Who is helping the accused? This is the question being raised by Sanjay Raut, the Shiv Sena UBT MP. Let's quickly go back to Yesha. And before we do that, let's also play out a reaction coming in from Sanjay Raut.
पुलिस कमिश्नर को सस्पेंड करिए। उसने आरोपी को बचाने की कोशिश की है। एक कपल, युवा कपल 25 साल का, जिस बेरहमी से कुचल दिया, और जो लड़का है शराबी, उसको 2 घंटे में बेल मिलता है। हाँ, उसका रिपोर्ट मेडिकल नेगेटिव आता है। जो शराब पिया है वो वीडियो सामने है। कौन मदद कर रहा है? पुलिस कमिश्नर कौन है? ये पुलिस कमिश्नर सस्पेंड करो, नहीं तो पुणे की जनता को सड़क पर उतरना होगा।
All right, let's quickly go back to Yesha. Yesha, some important points being highlighted over there by Sanjay Raut. He's also gone on to ask why was the medical certificate negative when he was so drunk. Not to forget, he's of course demanding the resignation of the Pune Police Commissioner.
Yes, in fact, several questions are being raised on Pune Police at this point of time, particularly because when the accused in this case was arrested and brought to Yerwada police station, it is said that there were several political leaders who were present. There are some who are vouching also for the accused in this case. Of course, the accused's father, who's already arrested by Pune Police, he is also someone who's a renowned builder in Pune. He is someone who's well connected politically as well as business-wise, which is where these questions are being raised. And here, of course, the fact that a juvenile who is just 4 months short of being an adult, he's charged with a serious crime, charged with section 3042, but he's let out on bail with conditions as simple as that of writing an essay and just working with Yerwada police for 15 days. This is something that's been questioned ever since yesterday, but now this has taken a political color to it altogether, because here there are various opposition leaders who have also shared the video of this accused drinking in a pub late in the night. Apart from that, they've also demanded that the Pune police should look into it and have demanded resignation of the Pune Commission. This is because before that as well, there were several police officers from Yerwada police who were also being questioned for leniency in this case.
And when you talk about leniency in this case, we are also learning from reports that Amitesh Kumar, the Pune Police Commissioner, had earlier even in fact issued guidelines that pubs and restaurants and rooftop hotels be only allowed to operate till 1:30 a.m. and yet these pubs were operating way beyond the deadline. Not to forget how in the Kalyani Nagar area we are learning several such deadline defying pubs have mushroomed, especially post-COVID.
Absolutely. In fact, the whole Kalyanagar and Koregaon Park is an area which is known for its pubs, its restaurants. In fact, all the students, Pune is a city which is known to house several universities. Apart from that, several IT professionals are working here in Pune, which is where Kalyani Nagar and Koregaon Park are the areas which become a party hub late in the night. In fact, over the weekends, most of these pubs are packed, and the fact that the rules of 1:30 a.m. deadline and not serving alcohol to minors is something that's clearly being flouted in most of these pubs. That has now come to forth, and this is something now that has been brought to the notice of the commissioner as well as the municipal commissioner as well.
All right, many thanks to you, Yesha. Several questions still demanding answers, but none found. Why was a minor served alcohol primarily? B, not to forget that they were operating way beyond the 1:30 a.m. deadline. CNN News 18 will be tracking this news story for you with a hawk's eye.